Hey Jessica, we're live out here this afternoon at Bluff Street Park in the city of Columbia. Behind me is the Pearl River. You can see it is very swollen and it has flowed over its banks in many locations. The city of Columbia a little bit higher than the floodplain below me, but the river is currently at 22.7 feet. That's the latest observation this morning. The Corps of Engineers still expecting this to crest at 25 feet on Sunday afternoon. Now this is going to be a 587 corridor because water could get very close to some areas. And in fact, just driving around earlier this afternoon, we saw a few houses close to the river. They're on stilts, so they're okay, but all their cars are parked out by the highway. That way they'll be safe. Now, this is going to be a long duration event. The Corps of Engineers and the Weather Service are expecting the river to crest at 25 feet on Sunday, but we are expecting more rain for tomorrow. And there's also going to be more rain next week, which is going to exacerbate the situation a little bit. And it's going to keep the Pearl River high for at least another week or two. And we can see this thing above flood stage as we go into early March here in the city of Columbia. So we're going to have to watch this situation right now. But as you can see, the mighty Pearl behind me, trash floating in it. There's a lot of foam into the river. And it's very dark and brown. It's a sign of how much dirt and silt is currently sitting into the river. So the river is continuing to rise. It'll slowly do so until Sunday, when it's expected to crest at 25 feet here in the city of Columbia. So we're going to keep a close eye on that. But for right now, here in Columbia, with light rain falling on the banks of the Pearl River, I'm First Alert Meteorologist Patrick Bigby. We're going to go ahead and toss it back to you in the studio.